Hello learners, today we will understand the topic of livestock, water and liabilities. Starting with role of livestock in Indian agriculture. The livestock provides food and non-food items to the people. The farmers in India maintain mixed farming system, i.e. combination of crop and livestock, where the output of one enterprise becomes the input of another enterprise, thereby release the resource efficiency. The livestock serve the farmers in different ways. Next topic is role of water in agriculture. Water is a crucial input for agricultural production and plays an important role in food security. Irrigated agriculture represents 20% of the total cultivated land and contributes 40% of the total food produced worldwide. Irrigated agriculture is, on average, at least twice as productive per unit of land as rain-fed agriculture, thereby allowing for more production intensification and crop diversification. Now we will see factors affecting Indian agriculture. Soil. It is essential as a support for plants and as the main medium thereby water and all plant foods, except carbon dioxide, are brought to the roots of the plant where they are absorbed. Soils that are poor either chemically or in texture have low productivity, both in amount and variety. The last we have is weather. All forms of agriculture are controlled largely by temperature. Areas deficient in heat are deficient in agriculture, for that is one element of climate that man has not been able to create at economic costs on a large scale. Temperature determines the growth of vegetation through determining the length of the vegetative period. Thank you all for paying attention.